a Sprite. Yeah, Sprite.
Okay. That was funny.
Crispy. What up, YouTube? San Diego. Me and the beautiful wife.
Asa.
Excited. San Diego, we're doing a quick hike. I guess it's not quick, it's challenging.
This is what it's called.
Along, it's Saigon Trail. It's supposed to bring us through rock formations to the beach. I don't really know. You'll see in the video. Got anything for him?
Come along with us, have a good time.
Nice.
Holy moly.
That looks a little crazy.
Come along. Into the dark pit?
Yeah. Easy. Nice. That was sick. Oh my god, I'm sliding.
Nice.
A little further, a little further, a little further, and you're there.
Body strength.
I think this is a dead end. Really sketchy. Oh, babe, I don't know. All right, everybody, we'll update. We had to jump that crack. It was kind of intense. We got through it though. Now we're going down. We're cruising.
To the beach.
To the beach.
From the Atlantic to the Pacific.
We're getting out of here. La Jolla Cove. There's sea lions here. Praying they're here. We did get to see sea lions.
People were swimming with them, scuba diving, all the fun stuff.
People were also getting yelled at. So
When I was young, I fell in love. We used to hold hands, man, that was enough. Then we grew up, started to touch. Used to kiss underneath the light on the back of the bus. I know your daddy didn't like me much, and he didn't believe me when I said you were the one. Every day, she found a way out of the window to sneak out late. She used to meet me on the side.
we're at Fatty's.
And then I have that strawberry moisture for you as well. Make sure to give it a little mix before you drink it.
Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome.
In the city with the sun on set. And every day you know that we ride through the back streets.
We're at a national monument. I think it's Cabrillo.
Just wanna leave tonight. We can go anywhere we want. Drive down to the coast, jump in the sea. Just take my hand and come with me, yeah. We can do anything if you put a mind to it. You take your whole life, then you put a line through it. My love is yours if you're willing to take it. Give me a heart, cause I'm gonna break it. So come away, started today. Start a new life together in a different place. We know that love is how these ideas came to be. So baby, run away with me.
17 and we got a dream to have a family, a house and everything.
What's up, guys? You know what time it is. It's low tide right now, which means we're headed to some tide pools. We're about to see some killer marine life. Come along. Was that your last thing you want to say?
I hope I see a sea turtle or something.
In the city where the sun don't set. And every day you know where we ride through the back streets in the moonlight. And baby, you know I just wanna leave tonight. We can go anywhere. Drive down to the coast.
Oops.
Just take my hand and come with me. Take your whole life and you put a line through it. Love is yours if you're willing to take it. Give me a heart.
Run away now. Run away now. Run away now. Run away now.
He used to meet me on the east side.
She used to meet me on the east side.
He used to meet me on the east side.
She used to meet me on the east side. In the city with the sun on set.